And here's Erin. Say hi.
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 Happy 4th of July. I hope you guys are having a great weekend. Today's video, as you see in the title, is how to make a placemat, American flag placemat, out of placemats from the Dollar Tree. And so basically what I did is I took a red and white stripe. Oh yes, you love me? Okay. I took a red and white striped placemat and then used that as the stripes for a flag. And then took a regular blue placemat and cut it into 4 rectangles and then sewed the rectangles onto the upper left-hand corner of the red and white straight part and formed a flag. I just used the plain white, all-purpose thread. I didn't do anything fancy. I'm a beginner at sewing. And it took me, gosh, like, I don't know, like 3 minutes. 3 minutes for each placemat. So, yeah, so I hope that you like this. And thank you to everyone who has served our country. And I am just so proud to be an American. And I'll see you all in the next video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
That's it. And then I get my little scissors.